Hello, Gremlins. Mr. Bruce here with today's book called Goodnight Construction Site. I love going by and seeing when they're putting up new buildings and digging. I like the tractors. I like the back end front loaders. I like the J-tampers. I like the jackhammers. I love all the machines. So, before we start, eyes watching, ears listening, voices quiet, body calm. Goodnight Construction Site. Ooh. Down in the big construction site, the big tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, to make a road, to get the job done, load by load. The sun has set, the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one, they'll all go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads, then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. Working hard to help his team, the crane truck raises one last beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark. Then it's off to bed because, look, it's almost dark. He slowly folds the boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in, nice and tight. Then cuddles up to say good night. Shh, good night, crane truck, good night. Spinning, churning all day long, cement mixer sings its whirly song. Whir, 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 whir. Now he's weary and it's so dizzy. Oh, from the fun that keeps him busy, he's getting tired. With one last spin, he pours a load. Now he's ready. He's going to leave the road. He takes a bath and gets shiny bright, pulls off his chute, turns off his light, and he cuts his engine down, down, down his drum. He dreams of twirly fun. So good night, cement mixer. Good night. Dump truck loves to work in haul. He carries big loads, big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. One final load. He spills on the heap. Now dump truck is tired. He wants to sleep. He lowers his bed and locks his gate. Rests his wheels. It's getting late. He dims his lights and shuts his doors. Soon his engine slows to snores. Good night, dump truck. Good night. Pushing his mighty blade, the bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with a thunderous sound. No one's as tough as strong as he is, but now he's sleepy, yes he is. He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off the engine, then stops right there in his track. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Good night, bulldozer. Good night. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, the excavator shapes the land. That's him there. He digs and lifts throughout the day, but now it's time to end his play. He digs a few more holes and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the bright shiny moon. Oh, he yawns. He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back, sets his scoop down on the ground, and snuggles up without a sound. Shh, good night, excavator. Good night. These big trucks, so tough and loud, they work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engines, stop your tracks, relax your wheels and stack some backs. No more huffing, puffing team. It's time to rest your head and dream. Construction site, all tucked in tight. All day is done to turn off the light. Great work today. Now, shh. Good night. The end. Wow, there were some great ones in that. So here's my question. Which truck do you like best? Maybe the dump truck? Maybe the cement truck that pours the cement? Maybe the bulldozer? Maybe the grader? Maybe the excavator? Maybe the big crane? Which one did you like best? All right. I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, be good to your folks and wash your wheels. Oh, wait a second. You don't have wheels. Wash your hands. Bye-bye.